Hello.
So, I know that you've been sick, so to cheer you up, we decided to do a little challenge.
Am I going to be able to puke?
No, it's just going to make you feel,
Nervous?
take your mind off of being sick.
I don't think
okay?
it's going to work.
It is. Okay.
I think it's just making me
Open
more
your mouth.
scared. No.
Open your mouth.
Do it.
Felicia.
Do it. I trust you, and if it's something bad, I will never trust you.
Just open your mouth. So, is it opened?
Uh-huh.
Opened? Open. Move your finger out of the way. Move your finger. No, don't come back here. Belle.
Rocky, where are you?
No, don't touch Rocky. Open your mouth.
No.
Open your mouth. Belle.
Do it for your fans.
Yes, do it for your friends who watch and who have done these things. Come on. Come on, Belle.
Fine.
How was that?
It's strawberry jelly, isn't it?
Yes. Good job, Belle. All right, Belle. So you had your bandana off because you thought we were done, but we're not, right?
Yeah.
So now we're going to try something else. Ready?
Uh-huh.
Open your mouth. Belle.
She spit it in your mouth. What the heck is that? Are you trying to poison me? No, wait. Think of something that I put on my sandwich one time. Pickle. No.
Pickles.
Mustard. Yes. Give me napkin. Oh, baby.
Poor Rocky got the mustard on him. I don't know if it's conditioning for his coat, but Belle couldn't keep it in her mouth.
Oh, I'm sorry.
All right, Belle. Now we're going to do the next thing here. Are you ready?
No.
Open your mouth.
Yogurt?
So why are you gagging? You like yogurt.
I know, but at first it tasted weird. That's good. Is that the apple cinnamon one?
Yes. All right, and you are done.
I'm so mad at you for giving me mustard.
All right, Camila, are you ready?
Yeah.
It's your turn. And now, before we begin, I'm going to show my friends what it is.
It's a hot sauce.
You think it's a hot sauce?
Yeah.
Open your mouth, and then you can tell me.
He wants steak and sauce.
What?
He wants steak and sauce. It's called A1, not 8-1. Oh, it makes my cheeks hurt.
All right, Camila, ready for the next one?
It's hot sauce.
Okay, open up. Open up wide.
No.
Come on, Camila.
No. It's something good. I pinky promise.
Open your mouth.
Wait, what? Honey?
Yes.
I haven't had honey in like forever.
All right, Camila.
It's bad. A blindfold. No.
Camila, let me see. Open your mouth.
It's not hot sauce, I promise.
It's not. Come on. Open
I don't
up.
trust you.
Open your mouth.
We're serious. We're serious.
Camila.
It's not hot sauce. It's not.
Okay, open your mouth. Ready? Camila, come on.
Do it. What is it?
I don't know, but it's gross.
Camila, wait.
I don't know. Is it like maybe Rocky's dog food? Did I just say Rocky's dog food?
Why don't you come on now?
We really give you Rocky's dog food? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you had as much fun as we had by eating this stuff. Hashtag it was horrible. I blame my mom. Okay, well bye guys.